and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video we're going to be revisiting the cannabis farm which was grown on Havelock Street. So we're going to revisit that and some areas around here. So yeah, come and join me and let's get right into the video. So this was the hotel, the Shazron Hotel, which was set alight by a cannabis grow. So we have been here a couple of times. I'll pop the previous videos in the description, so you can have a look at those. So we come when there's fire engines, police, all sorts, and also when they started the demolition. So I'm going to show you around, not around the house, but around the outside and the back. Of what is actually the update. So you see they've got all scaffolding on there now and the roof is completely gone. So what we'll do, we'll pop around the back and have a quick look and see what's been going on. So this is the rear of the building. It's in a bit of an alley, so you can see they've got all the scaffolding and all sorts. You can even see the window where it's all black, obviously where the fire was. So yeah, this is the back of the house. So I'll just walk back a little bit. You can see this is the rear of the property. And yeah, so it looks like they are obviously starting work on it, which is fantastic. See the old net curtain there as well. And yeah, so this is the rear of the property. So they are, it looks like, starting work on it. So you can just see, I'll just show you in there a little bit. See the smashed windows and things. And yeah. And there's actually a little tiny door, so it must sort of lead to the cellar or something underneath. Look at that, little tiny door. And that obviously leads underneath the property as well. So that tells me that there's actually a cellar attached to this property as well. This property as well, it's just straight opposite the hotel what got burned down. You can see that's derelict as well. So again, we've visited here before and just thought we'd revisit this area. And you can see there's just more things. So this is the place where we found rats before. Again, I'll pop the link of that video in the description, but you can see. So this is a side to Blackpool nobody sees. I mean, yeah, Blackpool's a fantastic place, the attractions, but people don't see this, and it's just good to open people's eyes up of what the other side of Blackpool is like. So we just arrived at Palatine Road, and the house I'm about to show you, we did in a previous video. So it looks like it's all boarded up now, and it looks like a fake camera on the front, but it might be real, it might not be. But yeah, there's no electric in there last time we looked. So I'm just going to show you and give you a bit of an update of what it looks like now. So this was the house what had a major fire. I have done this before, so I'll pop the link in the description as well. It's all in the same video, but you can see what they've done now. They've actually boarded it up. You can see it's obviously they probably had squatters and all sorts in here. You see the camera just there. I mean, there's no electric, so I mean that's not going to be a real camera, I wouldn't have thought. And you can see it's all smashed, but this one again, it's got absolutely no roof at all, and it had, like I said, a major fire in here. So it looks like all they've done, the council or whoever, has just boarded it up just to make it more secure. So again, you know, this has been like this for for many a year. I'll just show you around the that side as well. So you see there's a mattress in the garden, all sorts, and there's even a hotel there as well, right opposite. Again, that's it looks derelict as well. So yeah, I just thought I'd just show you. Like I say, it's a bit of sort of going back and checking out what's happened to the previous buildings we videoed. So yeah, let's move on. So halfway on Palatine Road, and even I never knew this, and probably many of you didn't, there's a little alleyway, and look at this, they've even got a little shop, Cost Cutters, down here, and I wouldn't have thought that down this little alleyway. Absolutely extraordinary. Look at that. How many people know about this one? How extraordinary. So I'm not too sure where this alley leads. No, so it doesn't lead to anywhere. But yeah, a little cost cutter. Who would have thought? So I just come down a bit of an alleyway. So I'm not too sure what is down this way, but I thought I'd just venture down as well. So this is the back of all the terraced houses. So you can see there's quite a bit being thrown out here. There's a lot of garbage. I don't know if the street cleaners come down this way or what, but it's in a bit of a mess, to be honest. So we got sort of discarded mattresses again, settees. Just look at this. So you'd have thought they'd have had the council come up and obviously sort this out. I mean, there's an old tyre there, and I'm just leaving the camera rolling at the moment. But yeah, it certainly needs the council to address this. I mean, they're just throwing anything out here. It's not the greatest. So we're coming to sort of the end of the alley, and as you can see, there's all sorts. I mean, there's shoes, it's just, you feel sick when you're walking down here. I mean, it's really not nice. The smell, you obviously can't put on film, but it's disgusting. It really, really is. I mean, it's partly down to the council, but also the residents as well. I just don't get, how people can live like this. The back of the houses. But we'll move on, and we'll see what else we can discover as well. Even the alleyway street sign is gone. So let's go and explore this one. So again, another little alley, and not too sure what's happened here. So we got one bike there. Looks like it's lost all its wheels and everything. And we got another one as well. And all sorts around here. And we've even got discarded underwear again. Look at that. So straight forward is a little alleyway just off Rigby Road. So we're just gonna have a bit of a walk up here and just see. Yeah, well, let's see what we can see, shall I say? So as you can see, look at all this. And we just missed it. There's a couple of cats. So it looks like they're probably doing a bit of ratting or something. You see mattresses again, discarded. You can see all sorts. I mean, this is the other side of Blackpool. Again, what people don't see. You see the cat there. There's all sorts. So again, just another alleyway, which is disgusting, to be honest. So that is the end of the video. So I hope you did enjoy that. Like I said, there is two sides to Blackpool, and we do show you the good side and the bad side. So I hope you did enjoy it. If you do, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing so keep up to date with all the latest videos. And until next time, take care, and it's a bye from me.